Hello guys, welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to change your store location on Doordash app. So first of all, you need to open your app, and I will tell you that basically Doordash automatically selects the store which has the highest rating and which isn't as busy, guys. So if you want to change your store, you need to change your address, guys. So on the top, you need to click your address and you need to enter a new address. If you are getting your food at home, you can't do it. But if you are located somewhere else and you want to receive your food on different location, you can change your address, and this will change the store, guys. It will select the store which will be near to your new location and which will have higher rating and which will not be as busy, guys. So that's how you can change your store location on DoorDash. That's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.